Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing this cool Nerf gun that has it shoots out balls, and this is where you put the Nerf balls in. They come down here, put it in the gun, and then you have to wait until you shoot one, shoots out, and then the rest of the balls, well, I think you could put all the balls in, but I don't think so. But you can put, maybe you could put all the balls in, and then once you shoot another, you could shoot another. I don't know, but let's get started. Oh, first I need my scissors, and I'm gonna read the instructions, but if they say, and you're younger, and it says it has to be 8 and up, 5 and up, 9 and up, well, if you have to ask your parents if it's good, to ask if it's good for them to let you know that you have to let your parents know that it's that, but yeah, and I don't think it has a sign that says that. Oh, and here's the back of the box. So, and I'm gonna open it with the scissors. It says, okay, so it says, warning, this product may be mistaken for an actual firearm by police officers and others alerting. Well, actually, guys, we don't need to read all this because we can read it later, and the video's going to take forever and it might end. So yeah, well, I'm going to get cutting this thing. There can be green color. I guess there's just all green color probably. Okay, well, I'm going to try and actually, I'm going to try and open it from the front. It might be a little easier. First, I'm going to chop off. A little hard too. Got that off. Crap. This is so hard to take off, guys. Just trying to take... Can you help with cutting this off, please?
Sure.
It's kind of hard to do.
Sometimes you need a grown-up's help.
But if you know how to do it, then you know how to do it. Okay. Oh, this is so hard to put back. Holy cow. This jerks, and a BB gun doesn't jerk, and this jerks. That's just weird. Wait, is this a safety thing? Does this have a safety and not safety? That's weird. Mommy, is that safety and not safety or what? Aha! Okay. I'm not going to shoot out the TV. I need all the balls. I'm going to put in all the balls. And guys, this is my first ever video I ever made, so you can watch my channel. Well, not my channel, my mom's channel. And are you supposed to put this on?
You can, or are you going to just leave it?
This thing pulls back. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. So there's different types of colors. Red, 2 reds, and a green, and another green. So 2 types of colors. Well, first one. 2 greens, 2 reds, 2 reds and 2 blues. First thing I'm going to put on is 2 blues. So let's put that on. Oh, baby. Look at that. Looks so cool. Oh, yeah, you put it on like that, I think. Yep. I can't put it on, guys. Oh, just so you know, I have family. My dad, he's going mountain biking for a whole day until tomorrow. My mom and my sister. Okay, let's test this baby out. Okay, YouTube, watch me. Okay, put that up there. I'm gonna shoot the closet, guys. Whoa! Oh my gosh! This thing is so powerful. My friend might come over. So yeah, we can have Nerf Force. We're gonna have Nerf Force, guys. I'm gonna go try and shoot somebody. Well, actually, I don't think I should shoot anyone because this baby is powerful, but my sister might ruin the video because she might say, Kenley, how dare you? Or something like that. So, let's put you back, YouTube. And yeah, this thing is so powerful though. Mommy! This gun is so powerful. Come and check. Look.
Oh my God. Holy cow. Don't shoot any of your friends with that.
Maybe, well, I can because they won't cry, but there's the rival ones are really they're probably about the same powerful as this, and they're like 10-year-olds shooting each other, and it does not hurt them.
Oh
wow. Well, Mom came and checked that out. Just put that over there. Okay, guys. Well, I had a lot of fun with y'all. I'll make the next video when my friends come. Oh, and subscribe for more videos. That's one. So, and click the bell button. Like and subscribe. Well, I already said subscribe, but whatever. Subscribe and a like button. And give me some likes. Give me how many as you want, because this is my first video, so I want a couple likes. So yeah, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.